Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel because it gives us motivation to prepare daily career guidance videos, daily job notification videos as well as interview tips. So today's job notification has come from Ola and they are hiring software development engineer position 1. We will discuss in detail in this video. So if you still have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and let's continue with this video. Okay, BE BTech, MCA, ME Tech can apply for this job, this Ola recruitment drive. It is a 2021 off-campus drive, software development engineer position, and Ola is it is a transportation company, so salary will be quite good. Some of the key highlights, they have mentioned that Ola Money is the largest India's postpaid or pay later service provider. So Ola Money SBI credit card is the most rewarding travel credit card. So it is the some description about them, about their features, about the work they are doing. So the job profile name is basically software development engineer position 1, and your company location, hiring location will be Bangalore. Experience required is 1+ years. Degree required is BE BTech, ME Tech, MCA can apply for this job. Key responsibilities: you will build awesome and end user experience using a combination of UX design or user case flow, plus also write UI framework, build common web application using the right framework for the consumption by desktop, smartphone and mobile devices. Work with the product team to understand the end user personnel and build intuitive UI flows, and follow agile development model, incrementally build out the application with regular review with product. So what is required, you must have 1 to 3 years of web development technologies experience in HTML, JavaScript, CSS, TDD, and in general web 2.0 techniques. Experience in at least one MVC pattern or any single page application framework. Exposure to latest trend ES6 or 7, node package management, Gulp or Grunt, Webpack, and working knowledge with object oriented JavaScript, functional JavaScript concept like promise, closures, worked with libraries like _jQuery and web page optimization. Good to have experience in Android or iOS frameworks such as PhoneGap, React Native. So the link will expire as early as possible. If you really interested or if you think it is applicable to you, you need to click on apply link. I will give this link in my description box, and you can see the career website of Ola is opening. So the job name is software development engineer position 1. You can go through the notification from here also. So you just click on apply. Okay, you can see it is in the below section. Okay, so in the career, it is the application form. You can see it is the sign in page. If you have already account, you can sign in with your email address and password. So if you are a new candidate, then you need to click on create an account. So the registration form will be open to you. You have to type your email address, retype your email address, your password, you have to retype your password again, and first name, last name, your country. Then you have to create your account. Then by signing in, you have to fill up the educational qualification details as well as experience and also work experience. So all these 3 things you have to fill up, and then only you will able to submit the notification or the application. So this is the whole procedure. If you think it is applicable to you, it's experience guides jobs. So 1 to 3 years experience candidate can apply for this job. So that's it, my friends. This is the job notification from team Job Updates by Verma. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Take care. Have a great day. Bye. And also don't forget to subscribe and share this video.